From the Deliveries option, select the delivery to be accepted from the pending list. Enter invoice number or delivery note. Check delivery date. Quantity and price. Enable Update Product Price toggle button to save the price on product level. After approving, you can upload invoice or delivery note given by the supplier. Click on Invoice for an invoice upload and capture a live invoice image. Multiple live capture can be taken with the help of camera button. Click on Upload once invoice good to save. Max size is 3 MB. Live invoice can be captured for closed delivery as well. Attachment symbol denoted the invoice PDF is already saved for the respective invoice. Open the closed delivery and open the camera to click Live Invoice Capture. Invoice capture can be cropped before uploading.